welcome to the demo video of a library software. This software is allow administrator to update data, book information, add new users, add new books, and review the borrowed books and their bookings, and allow users, students to borrow, search, and return different books. In this case, we're gonna first log in as an admin. This software was built using C Sharp. This software runs using the methods of an online services also built in C Sharp. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to create a new user so we can actually borrow some book. So in this case, the user is going to call Camila. She's a student of AIT. The password is going to be an easy one so we can forget it, and she have a level of security number 1 because she's just a normal user. After we update the user, we're going to give her some books for her to borrow. So let's create new books. In this case, it's going to call how to demo the book. Right, they're going to put an ISBN number so you have an identifier. In this case, it's going to be a programming book. You publish year, this year. It's going to have 200 pages. The publisher is going to be Demo Inc. And the author name we can use from the authors we already have is going to be Dan Villegas, right? So we have created a new book. The book list should be updated. This book should be able to be borrowed, reserved, and returned by any of our users. So let's give it a try. So the first thing, we're going to try to log in as Camila, right? Our new user. So let's go give it a try. Camila, try to sign in right now. Perfect. So as you can tell, the UI of Camila is totally different because it has some reduces features. She should only be able to see the books available, search for some specific book, reserve, and return books. So let's say I want to search a book. So maybe I have the name, so let's call how to demo, right? How to demo. And it's in English, correct? So let's go ahead right with English and search. So it gives us a list of different books. In this case, it's featuring by English language. So this is the book we want, right? That's amazing. We have it in our library. That is pretty good. We can see all the information. So now that Camila knows that the book is available, she's gonna reserve it, make sure that she's available to borrow it. So we're gonna click how to demo and we're gonna reserve. So a new reservation is being placed in the system. And in this case, it means that Camila is able to borrow the book at any time. So now that we know that we can, we're gonna do a borrow. Perfect. So it seems to be that now we have the book in our hands. And let's say Camila finished reading it, she wants to return it. So let's return the book. So in this case, we will return the book using the book ID. And it is returned. So it means that now it's available for anybody else to book it or to borrow it. And that's it. So as I told before, all this is using C Sharp. The database is done as an SQL database. Configure an SQL database manager of Visual Studio as well. Thank you so much for your attention.